Hi, I'm Alyssa with Pro Roofing Services, and today we're here with a pro I know, Kevin Downs, the CEO of Ask an Adjuster. And we wanted to ask him some questions today in light of the deadline coming up for Hurricane Milton to see what's important for you to know going into filing a claim.
Yeah, great question. So the first step is we come out, we do a free inspection, a free policy review. If in fact you have damage and you're owed a large check from the insurance company, we have a form that's required by the state where you appoint us as your adjuster. We'll then call in the claim. We'll meet anybody that the insurance company sends. In the meantime, we'll inspect the property. We'll document everything. We'll draft the scope of work, build the exact and made estimates so we can speak the insurance company's language. And then we put that package forward with the insurance company, telling them how much to pay you, the client. And then ultimately we negotiate on your behalf, make sure we get you more than enough money to get your damages taken care of.